In this video, I'm excited to share with you this wonderful scholarship opportunity by the Malaysian government to all international students from developing countries. This scholarship gives you the opportunity to study in any public university as well as selected private universities in Malaysia. It is a fully funded scholarship. I would also be sharing with you other scholarship opportunities you could take advantage of. So please watch this video till the end to get all the vital information. Hi, my name is Sylvia. Subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell. Also like and share this video with your family and friends. This is the official website of the Ministry of Higher Education of Malaysia. And this is where they made the publication, Malaysia International Scholarship MIS. And here you can read that the call for application for the academic year 23-24 will be open 17th of April until the 18th of May 2023. So let's click on this link to see the details of this scholarship. It's open to graduates intending to pursue full-time postgraduate studies, their Masters or PhD in Malaysia, or those who are currently pursuing full-time postgraduate studies. So if you're already studying in Malaysia, you can also take advantage of this opportunity with a minimum of 2 semesters remaining before the end of your studies. And you are also eligible if you are from the member countries of this scholarship. These are the potential countries that can apply to this scholarship: the ASEAN countries, commonwealth countries, and then you see Afghanistan, Algeria, Azerbaijan, China, Hong Kong, Iran. So many countries are listed here. Look through it and see if your country is on this list. And let's see the list of countries that are in ASEAN countries. These are the countries that are from ASEAN countries. So Cambodia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore. So if you are from these countries, you are still eligible. Also, they mentioned about Commonwealth countries. Let's see countries that are in the Commonwealth countries. So these are the list of the Commonwealth countries. So please do well to go through it and see if your country is in here, and that means you are eligible for this particular scholarship. So how do you apply to this particular scholarship? You're going to apply to it online by filling the application form, and then you have to scan on your documents and save everything in PDF formats. And this includes certified copy of your passport, minimum validity is 6 months, certified copy of academic transcripts, certified copy of English proficiency test, or an official letter from the previous institution declaring English as the medium of instruction if you obtained your degrees in English. 2 letters of recommendation letters, admission letter to Malaysian University if you have already secured an admission. So if you have not secured an admission, you can still apply to this particular scholarship. We'll come to that in a bit. You need your curriculum vitae and a research proposal for those that will be applying for masters by research and also for PhD applicants. Also, you shouldn't be more than 40 years of age for master's program and 45 years of age for the PhD program. The level of study is for the master's degree program and PhDs. And here are the list of universities you could apply to. So it says here 20 public universities and 4 selected private universities. So you could make your application to any of these universities after you might have gotten this scholarship, or at the same time you have made this application, you can as well apply to these universities. I would also explore one of these universities, so please keep watching so that you can see the courses available in this university. Benefits of this scholarship. So it says it covers the tuition fee for the whole sponsorship period and will be paid directly to the university. And it also covers a monthly living allowance of 1,500 Malaysian ringgit. These are the areas of studies you could apply to in any of these universities. So you could apply to education, arts and humanities, social sciences, journalism and information, business administration and law, natural science, mathematics, statistics, information, communication and technology, engineering, agriculture, health and welfare. But note, this does not include medicine, nursing, and pharmacy. So there's a whole lot of faculty here, so you could find one that is suitable for you. And these are the application criteria, so you could do well to read through this and the terms and conditions as well. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and share it with your family and friends. Also subscribe to the channel to be part of this family. For further inquiries regarding this particular application, this is the contact address. You can send them an email to this email address or you could call them, but I encourage you to send them an email. So once you're ready and you want to make this application, all you have to do is to click on login. Before I come to that, I want to quickly show us some frequently asked questions so that we can familiarize ourselves. Importantly, I would like to take us to this question number 5. Do I need to apply to the university and obtain the admission letter first before applying to this scholarship? And it says interested parties are allowed to apply to this scholarship without having a secured place in Malaysian public or private university. However, when you receive this scholarship, you need to provide an admission letter within 90 days. Be sure to apply to any of these universities to get their admission letter before this 90 days expires. The next question is there any application fee for this scholarship? It says no, there is no application fee for this scholarship. It's fully done online. Feel free to look through any of these questions and familiarize yourself with any of those that are important to you and also to understand what the scholarship entails. Once you're ready to make the application, you click on login. This is the login page, and once you're here, you can see the deadline, and here it says sign up if you have not already logged into this portal before. So I'm going to click on sign up, and it brings you to this page. You fill in all your details like so, and you click on register. And here it says successfully registered. Click on login to apply for the scholarships. So now you put in your details and click on login. And here is the interface for this application. So this is the passport number, the scholarship is MIS, and this is the particulars of applicants. Here is the mailing and communication address. So basically you fill in all these details. Once you have filled in your details like so, you just click on next. Once you're on this next page, it's going to be peculiar also to each person. So all you have to do is to click on this add button here. And now it brings you to this page where you would add your level of education. And once you're done, you click on next or you click on back to go back to this original point. And basically, this is just going to be pretty straightforward. And you attach your documents and submit your application for the scholarship. You can come here and pick any of these universities and apply for admission. For the sake of this video, I'll be using Multimedia University. This is the website of Multimedia University, and here you can see it says July 2023 intake is now open. All you have to do is to browse through their programs and see if any of their courses are in line with this particular scholarship. Remember, you can only apply to fields in education, arts and humanities, all of these ones listed here. And here you can click on this arrow, browse programs, and here you can now decide to search by faculty. If you are in Faculty of Engineering, for example, you click on this engineering, and here you can explore the programs. You can already see Master of Engineering by research, Doctor of Philosophy, Engineering by research. So here you could now have a look at what you are interested in and click here to see more. And once you're interested in this program, all you have to do is to click the apply now button. And here you see once again the July 2023 is open, and for new application you start here. And if you already had started, you can click here to update any information. But importantly, this is the announcement. It says for postgraduates, masters and doctorates, this is the closing dates. It's open until the 7th of May if you want to join the dual intake. Also open until the 7th of July for July intake. So please pay attention to these dates and be well informed, especially when you are looking at them. Always look at international applicants. Once you're ready, you click on start here. It automatically loads you to the page where you're going to be making the online application. It's pretty very much easy. All you have to do is to fill in all your details and make sure everything is correct, and then you click on next. It's going to be peculiar to each person, so take your time and fill in your information, and yeah, you send in your application. At the beginning of this video, I made mention of other scholarship opportunities. So basically you click on this top right, scholarships, and once you are here, you can see there are tons of scholarships that are open. See, when it's green, it means it's open, and when it's closed, it's in red. So basically you sort by your level, and here you can see there are tons of postgraduate scholarships that are still open, and that are for international students. And once you are interested in any of them, for example, I'm going to click on MMU Achievers. Let's see what it entails. It's open to undergraduate students as well as postgraduate for also international and Malaysian students. Now I'm going to click on postgraduate international students, and here you can see that this scholarship is going to be 100% of scholarship. And for postgraduate merit scholarship is going to be 25% or 50% discount of tuition fee. And for you to learn more, you simply click on this link to download the PDF for details, or you click here to make the application. So feel free to explore this particular university. It has a lot of information to offer. And for any reason you need to contact them, you can write them an email to this email address and they would get back to you. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.